I read somewhere that mosquitoes kill the most human being, and it is the most dangerous species for human. Though I don't like these little creatures, even you can say I hate them, but are they so deadly? I started digging deep into the topic. Now I am sharing it you that above statement is true or false. Before starting to find the answer, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get notification when I upload a new video, and forget to like, share and comment on the video. There are over 3,500 species of mosquitoes worldwide. Mosquitoes are generally categorized into genera, with notable species like Aedes, Anopheles, and Culex. Each species has specific characteristics, habitats, and behaviors. There are 110 genera of mosquitoes identified by us. This is the only species which exists everywhere in the world where humans live. We have been coexisting for millions of years. Mosquitoes have been a significant factor in human history due to their role in transmitting diseases. Malaria, for instance, has affected humans for millennia, with evidence of the disease found in ancient remains. Mosquito-borne diseases have influenced the outcome of wars and shaped the development of societies. The understanding of mosquito-borne illnesses evolved over time, eventually leading to breakthroughs in disease prevention and control, such as the discovery of the role of Anopheles mosquitoes in transmitting malaria. Despite ongoing efforts to combat mosquito-borne diseases, mosquitoes remain a persistent part of the human experience, impacting health and influencing human activities in various regions of the world. Mosquitoes are vectors for several diseases, and the most notable ones include malaria. Transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes, malaria is a parasitic infection that affects millions of people worldwide. Dengue fever, a viral infection transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes, causing flu-like symptoms. Zika virus, also transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes, Zika can lead to birth defects if contracted during pregnancy. Yellow fever, spread by Aedes and Haemococcus mosquitoes, yellow fever can cause severe illness and is preventable through vaccination. West Nile virus, primarily transmitted by Culex mosquitoes, it can cause flu-like symptoms and, in rare cases, severe neurological illness. Chikungunya, transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes, it causes fever and joint pain. These diseases have significant public health impacts, and efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent the spread of these illnesses are ongoing globally. Let's check the process of some random pick of the diseases. By this we will be able to conclude our answer. The process of spreading malaria involves a complex cycle between mosquitoes and humans. Here's a simplified overview. Transmission by mosquito. Malaria is primarily transmitted through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. When a mosquito bites a person already infected with malaria, it ingests the malaria parasites along with the blood. Development in mosquito. Inside the mosquito, the malaria parasites undergo development, eventually reaching the stage where they can infect another person. This process usually takes about 10–18 days, depending on the environmental conditions. Transmission to humans. When the infected mosquito bites another person, it injects the malaria parasites into the bloodstream, continuing the cycle. As for treatment, antimalarial medications are prescribed based on the type of malaria and the region where the infection was acquired. Common antimalarial drugs include chloroquine, artemisinin-based combination therapies, ACTs, and others. It's crucial to seek prompt medical attention if malaria is suspected, as delayed treatment can lead to severe complications. Additionally, preventive measures such as bed nets, insect repellents, and antimalarial prophylaxis are essential in malaria endemic regions. Overall, according to WHO, roughly 50 to 60 million people died due to this disease. Dengue fever is primarily spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. Here's an overview of the transmission process and measures for identification and treatment. Infected mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquitoes become infected with the dengue virus when they bite a person already infected with the virus. Virus replication. The virus replicates within the mosquito for about 8–12 days, after which the mosquito can transmit the virus to another person. Transmission to humans. When an infected mosquito bites a human, it injects the dengue virus into the bloodstream, leading to infection. Given the potential severity of dengue fever, seeking medical attention promptly is crucial for proper diagnosis and management. If you suspect dengue, consult with healthcare professionals for appropriate care. Each year, an estimated 400 million people are infected with dengue virus, 100 million become ill with dengue, and 21,000 deaths are attributed to dengue. Yellow fever is primarily spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. Here's an overview of the transmission process and measures for identification and treatment. Infected mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquitoes become infected with the yellow fever virus when they bite a person already infected with the virus. Virus replication. The virus replicates within the mosquito for about 9–12 days, after which the mosquito can transmit the virus to another person. Transmission to humans. When an infected mosquito bites a human, it injects the yellow fever virus into the bloodstream, leading to infection. Given the potential severity of yellow fever, vaccination is a critical preventive measure, especially for those living in or traveling to regions where the disease is endemic. If you suspect yellow fever, seek medical attention promptly for proper diagnosis and management. Yellow fever virus is estimated to cause 200,000 cases of disease and 30,000 deaths each year, with 90% occurring in Africa. West Nile virus is primarily transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes, most commonly the Culex species. Here's an overview of the transmission process and measures for identification and treatment. Infected mosquito. Mosquitoes become infected with West Nile virus by feeding on infected birds, which serve as the primary reservoir for the virus. Transmission to humans. Infected mosquitoes can then transmit the virus to humans and other animals through their bites. Bloodstream infection. The virus multiplies in the bloodstream and may cause a range of symptoms. Preventing mosquito bites is crucial, as there is no specific cure for West Nile virus. If you suspect infection or experience severe symptoms, seek medical attention for proper diagnosis and management. Since West Nile fever first appeared in the United States in 1999, more than 45,000 people have been infected, and nearly 2,000 of them are known to have died, for a roughly 4% fatality rate. After each disease's process which is blamed on mosquitoes, they are reason of spreading it, not the cause of it. For me, it is not correct to consider mosquito as a killer. Remove the cause of diseases, it will not spread. This is my opinion. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching.